Whenever you debit the God debit you. So I choose to debit my money.
Point of correction. No call me a suicide again. My name na AK Badi or millionaire with ease. Life is more important than money.
No lie. Money is more important than my life. Me I die, me I get money.
He can afford it.
How much?
It's just 20,000.
$20. $200.
From Benin to Lagos to Oka. Abi you dey craze?
Like 20 million naira for rent.
Rent. God forbid. Body rent. I want buy the house. Which school they rent?
Oga, calm down. You no get any man go see this guy Ikebe we no go shake. Guys say go fall for nyash. Ikebe na Ikebe.
Never talk to me before. This guy not talking my virginity.
What you dey cook when they smell like shit?
Ma, I'm the bouncer.
You. When no get born, you are the bastard. Now you go protect me. I mean, me go protect you.
Agent.
Hey.
I bet you go pursue the person who did my house. Because I don't want to stay me island. Now I want to go back to my house for Lekki because I go there close to my postcode, Banana Island. Now that be my goal.
Nobody like it, suffer headache. Nobody wants to suffer blood.